check in. Hola. Hola. Oh. So today we are gonna revision the three tens. Okay? Hmm? Hola. We will go one by one. How goes ma? Hmm. Before that, hmm, okay, we will start from Tatawa. How goes ma? Tatawa. Hmm. Tatawa. How goes ma? Tata. 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 Hmm. The Tatawala. Kiyu, Kiyure, Kidu, Kime, Kiyumare, Kimidu. Ako nga, Titiyure. Perna, tatange, no, tatange, chutungiyu. Dirwa. Tatange, chutungiyu. O tatange palaki, kalaksaki yure. Like this. Ako nga. Now, Kiduk. Oh, Konki, Kora Gyapkiduk. Konki, Kora Gyapkiduk. Like this. We know this. Apposma. Tene negative karire. Hatange. Chang tungi me. Hatange. Chu tungi yu. Like this. Apposma. Tene. Oh. Tatange palaki. Peke jonki yu mare. Tatange palaki. Kalak saki yu re. Like this. Apposma. Okay. Oh. Konki. Gom gyapki menduk. Konki. Kora gyapki duk. Like this. Okay, I have just given some example. Now let's practice. Today let's practice reading and speaking both. Okay, let's start with the Nicole Tang McGregor in the Nicole Tang McGregor. Nicole Lucky Tiwa Logrona.
Lagin
Kiranki question Loki in Tiwa Loki re. Tene McGregor ki len gyapki re.
Pugyo kare jekiduk.
Puku kare chekidu. Puku kare chekidu.
Okay. That do I so it's not written down.
No. You have to answer the question. Puku kare
Okay.
chekidu.
Puku tep lok kiduk.
That's it. Yankyar sungta. Yankyar with confidence. In the.
Puku tep lok kiduk.
That's it. Puku kare chekidu. Oh, puku teb lokidu. Like, well. Ya Nicolela, tene dilorona.
Data kerangi kare jekio.
Tata keranki kare cheki.
Tata ne puke jong kiyu.
That's it. Tata nge peke chonki pe akulapso. Very good. Holaso. You can add also tata here. Tata puku. Teblokidu. Like this. Akosunga. No problem. Laso tene Nicolela dilorona. Mute read. Mute. Nicolela mute read.
Sorry. Kerangi drogpe be ik junk gi yorepe.
Keranki trokpe. Pöyik jonki yorepe. Yanker lorona. Nicolela. Yanker lorona.
Kerangi drogpe be ik junk gi yorepe.
Yeah, McGregor la inda. Keranki trokpe. Pöyik jonki yorepe.
re re nge trokpo tsu puyikjo kiyure.
That's it. Nge chokpo tsu or nge chokpo 빼하고 pyoik jonki yure. That's it. 빼하고 송송. Here. Kiyu, kiyure, kidu. 빼하고. Very good. 하고 송아. 빼하고 송송. 투지치 니콜레당 맥그레거라 투지치. 나소.
Che.
테네 야. 왕몰라당 에폴리나라인. 왕몰라키 딜로로낭 에폴리나라키 렌자로낭.
Cảnh tuyển bờ chơi kare giặc
게든바츠 가르치기.
어, 게든버츠 사기둑
빼하고.
칼락사기둑
게든바츠 칼락사기도. 오, 게든바츠 칼락사기도. Like this. 빼하고. 야, 드니 딜로로낭.
Tông 카르기 kare giặc
타타케랑키 가르치기 에폴리나라.
하다 nga 부익 록정 제키
나 말해 체다 거르바 체다.
니
빼하고.
나상이 야 하다 니 부익 록정 제키
빼하고. 타땅에 베익 종기유, 타땅에 베익 롭종 체기유. 빼하고 롭송. 야, 드니 딜로로낭.
Karangi chopper pöyik jongi yorebe
빼하고. 계란기 족불 베익 종기 여르베.
라레 니 드루프 부익 종기 유레
That's 빼하고. 빼하고. 야고 송송 투지체. 올라서. 에볼리나라 투지체. 드니 야, 왕충충당 마르셀로 라긴다. 왕충충 라기 딜로로낭 마르셀로 라기 렌자로낭.
라서 로투츠 갈레 제기두
롭축스 가르치기도 마르셀로라.
L'obstructure, l'objonche qui duk,
That's it. 롭축스 롭종 체기도. 양결소로낭 마르셀로라.
l'obstructure, l'objonche qui duk.
That's it. That's it. 빼하고. 라소 드네 딜로로낭
다다 킬랑기 갈레 제기웨
타타케랑키 가르치기.
Tata nie, peke John qui est,
That's it. 타타니 벽에 종기. 빼요. 딜로로낭
킬랑기 두베 갈레 제기웨레
빼하고. 계란키 족불 가르치기래.
nie trop peu, cheton qui est,
빼하고. 니 족불 쉐똥기래. 라라라 쉐똥 하고 계란키 니 족불 쉐똥기래. 빼하고. 마르셀로 당 왕충충라 투체나 빼하고 송송.
제체
올라. 네. 야, 왕몰라 당 니말라긴. 니말라키 지왈로로나 왕몰라키 렌자로나. 라수.
Vamos lá. Pomoce kare jekidu.
빼요.
Pomoche sientong기도
부모츠 쉐똥기도 빼요. 쉐똥 하고 송아데.
Ale. Tata kirangi kare jekiyo.
당당의 숨라 pöyik jon기도
베익 종기 양결송당.
당당의 숨라 pöyik jongiyo
빼하고 다당에 좀라 벽익 종기유 빼요.
Peigla gapo yepe. Sorry. Kerangi çok pö. Kom gyap ki yorepe.
빼요.
nghe chopper gom gap 기여래.
That's it. 니에 trouble 봄 잡기유 빼요. 도지체 니말라당 에폴리나라 말고 왕몰라. 맞어. 드네야 소냐라당 마이라긴 마이라.
라서
마일라키 디로그로낭 소냐라키 렌 잡로낭 answer 제로낭.
건조 가래제끼드
공초 말해 공초 그러다 연결로로나
건축 가래제끼드
빼요. 공초 가르치기도 소녀라.
Tatane pöke jonkiduk.
네네 공초 그대
Ah, kommt sie, also so picture, okay. Kommt linker Shinkiduk.
링카똥래 링카신
Linker Tonkiduk. Mhm.
빼요. 연결인다. 공초 가르치기도
Kommt linker Tonkiduk.
that's it. 공초 링카똥기도 디로로는
단다 계란기 가래제끼드
다타케란키 가르치기
Tatane pöke jonki.
that's it.
계란기 도포 보이 전기 요래배
족보 말해다 족보로 봐.
덮을 계란기 덮을 볶기 전기 요래배
계란기 족보 교육 종기 열을 빼 소녀라.
Nye chokpe pöik jonki re.
That's it. 네 족보 교육 종기 열을 that's it. 빼하고 숭숭 두지체 소녀라 당 마일라 두지체 맞어. 야 되네 졸라인다 졸라인다. 미디츠 가르치기도 미디츠 가르치기도
Mi dicu korakyap kiduk?
That's it. 미디츠 꼬라잡기도. That's it. Or you can add more like 미디츠 최된라 스투파라 꼬라잡기도. 봐봐. 빼요.
Okay.
빼하고 숭숭 올랐어. 아니 다타케란키 가르치기요.
Tata ne böchonkiyo?
벼익 종기요. 벼익 벼게.
Böyi.
양결송탕. 다타케란키 가르치기요.
Okay. I'm trying to remember. Okay. Ni Jokmo?
말해. 디디 양결 again.
Oh, again.
다타케란키 가르치기요.
Tata ne bukya?
벼익
Buyik chunkiyo?
That's it. 다땅에 벼익 종기요. 바꿔송아.
Okay.
종. 네.
Jongkiyo.
다땅에 벼익 종기요. That's it.
Jongkiyo.
따인다. 계란기 족부 벼익 종기요를 빼.
Okay.
Try. No problem. Hmm?
Yeah. Uh, n- 네, 네, 네,
Mhm.
정기, 네, 정기, uh, 부, 네, 네, 정기, no, my brain is not on. Okay,
Okay, okay.
it's
And
not
this,
fully awake.
it's it's hanged. You mean it's hanged?
Yeah, it's hanged.
That's okay. No
So
problem.
네,
Ni tropu
네, 족부,
büyük
büyük, 정기,
ki
기,
yöre.
요리,
Not then you can say yömare. Ni tropu
유르마리,
büyük çünkü yömare. Ni tropu
유마리.
büyük çünkü yöre. That's like no problem. Lola. Good try. Pay up. That's it.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. We can watch the video and revision and catch up. No problem.
Yes, I will revision that one.
That's it. So now we see tatawa. Pe lelabu duga tatawa. 네. tatange kalaksaki yu. tatange pöke jonki yu. tatange she tonki yu. tatange gomkyapki yu. tatange Netflix taki yu. Like this. 타타콩키 넷플릭스 타키 요래. 타타콩키 벽에 종키 요래. 타타 도널드 트럼키 골프 세키 요래. No? Like this. 아고스마. 다 기둑. 오, 뭐야. 오, 콩키 벽에 종키도. 오, 콩키 칼락사키도. Like this. 아고스마. We are clear now when to use kidu. And kiyu and kiyure we already know. Akosuma, okay? Olas, that's it. Now for that, we can use word like tatange, tatange, peke jonki yu, tatakonki kalaksaki yure, tatashimi kalaksaki do, like this. Ruba. Then, not only present tense, sometimes in general, we talk general every day or general. It's also the same ending. Nge pyoge jonki ye, I study Tibetan or I'm studying Tibetan. Chikpare. Nge pyoge jonki ye. How goes on like this? So for that, you can also use Nima takpar. Nima takpar. Nya kikuni ma. Ratatata ka tak. Pa ra par takpar. Nima takpar. Every day. Ako suma. Nima takpar nge gom kya ki. Nima takpar kong ki peke jonki yore. Like this.
Tenzin, what does takpar mean?
Takpar is every. Nima is day.
Oh,
Every
okay.
day.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Takpar every means not amount in the sense of time. Every time like this. Ako suma. Okay? Takpar. You can simply say takpar or you can say nima takpar every day. Nima takpar nge khalak saki yu. Nima takpar nge coffee tunki yu. Nima takpar nge gom kyab ki yu. Nima takpar nge sungchu nyen ki yu. Like this.
So if you are describing something that you do like regularly or or every day, you use present tense for this?
Very, very. That's
Okay.
하고서 constant base. Nimala said, Nimala takbar, like in time, every time, like constant. 하고서 like this. Bell. Nima takbar nge gom gyabki ye, or tata nge gom gyabki ye. Tata nge chang tunki ye. Nima takbar nge chang tunki me. Like this. Tata nge chang tunki ye. Nima takbar nge chang tunki me. Like this example. Hakosunga. Like this. Fail. Very good. Okay. Now for negative. Nima takbar nge chang tunki me. Tata nge chang tunki ye. Like this. Nge chokpe peke chonki ye re. Nge chokpe leka cheki ye ma re. Like this. Hakosunga. That's it. Now, any question about present tense? I will suggest you to practice. Bring the verb plus kalak saki ye, re, kalak saki du. Like this. Keep that formation in the mind, so you will not mess up the sentence structure. Verb plus this ending should be always like this. Okay? Oh yeah. The tatawa, hakosunga tatawa, present tense, or present continuous, or everyday, general. Sangma tatawa de, hakosunga. Okay? That's well. Hola. That any day. Tene depa chankinda, depa, hakosunga, depa, depa. No, Baba. Depa, past, died. Baba. Then for depa, we can use kasang. Yesterday, kasang. Baba. Please write down if there is some new words. Kasang. Let's just learn kasang. Okay, yesterday. Okay. Now for depa, we have here pa yin, pa re, song. Pa yin. Kasang nge, pizza, se pa yin. Kasang nge, pasta, se pa min. Kasang nge, pizza, se pa yin. Like this. Agosunga. Kasang Donald Trump ki golf se pare. Kasang Donald Trump ki leka che pa mare. Like this. So here, pare, pa mare, in the past tense, general. Agosunga. No witness. You don't need to witness. It's general knowledge. Agosunga.
Tenzin,
Yes, please.
you were saying pizza sa pare. No, you were saying pizza se pare. I thought to eat was sa.
That's very good question. So right now we will not go detail like this. You can say sa or say both. No problem. Agosuma. Just
Okay.
keep in mind,
Akoso.
these are same. I will not go detail now. It will only confuse us. Okay? That's it. Think that these both are same. Agosuma. Okay? Tade. Pare, pamare. Past tense. General past tense knowledge. Past tense, but general knowledge. Agosuma. Like this. Okay? Kasang McGregor ki khalak sapare. It's for sure. Raba? Kasang McGregor ki khalak sapare. I didn't see it, but I know it's general. Everybody is food. Raba? Like this. Kasang McGregor ki khalak sapare. Kasang Donald Trump ki golf se pare. Kasang Donald Trump ki leka chepa mare. Agosuma. The song, past tense, you witnessed in the past. Kasang kong ki she tong song. Like Kasang kong ki leka che ma song. Kasang kong ki pyoke jong ma song. Or jang ma song. Kasang kong ki she tong song. Kasang kong ki pyoke jong song. Kasang kong ki chang tung song. Like this. Agosuma.
Tenzin,
Yes, please.
you were saying Donald Trump golf say. So does say mean something more than just to eat?
Marmar, tse, golf, tse. Play golf.
Oh, say, not say.
Tse, ratsatatsa tenpo tse, ta tse. Don't worry about
Can
the
you
spelling.
spell it?
Okay, no problem. Just you can hear the clear sound is enough right now. You don't need to know this. Tse is to play. Now you can play anything. Football tse, basketball tse, soccer tse, golf tse. How goes no? Like this. Kasang Donald Trump ki golf se pares. Kasang Donald Trump ki leka shepa mares. Like this. Past tense general knowledge. How goes no? Oh yeah. Payable. Da inda ya. Dine Sonya la inda. Let's try. Sonya la kasang kerang ki kari chepa yin.
가상 내 pöke 정기인.
Ki yin mare. Past tense raba. Past tense.
Sorry, 파인.
That's it. Yanker sungta. Kasang kerang ki kari chepa yin.
가상 내 pöke 정파인.
Kasang kerang ki chang tungpa yin pe. Or kasang kerang ki beer tungpa yin pe.
가상 내 비어 퉁파인.
Tungpa yin. That's it. Ale.
Alcohol free.
Ale. Alcohol tungpa yin. Like this.
Free.
Kasang kerang ki pizza sapa yin pe.
가상 내 피자 사파민.
That's it. Kasang nge pizza sapa min. Kasang nge pasta sapa yin. Salad sapa yin. Anything. Ako nga. Well, very good. Kasang tenzin ki kari chepa re. Say something general knowledge of you. Ako nga. Kasang tenzin ki kari chepa re. Anything.
가상 텐신 키 톡파 통파레.
That's it. 가상 댄싱 키 툭바 퉁파레. 오, 배신부두. 아고 가상 댄싱 키 툭바 퉁파레. That's it. 왜요? 응? 아니 가상 콩키 가르쳐송 something you witnessed in the past. 아고 가상 콩키 가르쳐송. 응?
가상 콩키 송춘낭 성.
That's it. 가상 콩키 숭추낭송. Now you can add location also. Try.
가상 콩키 sorry, internet la, Zoom la, Zoom la, 송춘낭 정.
That's it.
성.
가상 콩키 줌라 숭추낭송. Keep this in mind. 아고숭아. Then you will not mess up the sentence. 아고숭아. Very good. 가상 콩키 줌라. Then verb 숭추낭 and song. Like this. 가상 콩키 줌라 숭추낭송. That's it. 가상 콩키 곰데라 숭추낭송. 빼야고 숭. 올라서 도지체. 야, 되네. 자나라인다. 자나라. 자나라 다시 될렉. 가상 계란기 가리 사파인 or 가상 계란기 가리 쉐파인 or 세파인.
세 세베인 tukpa tungbayin.
That's it. 셀 세파인.
Ngal salakpa ngal legala deyu. How do I say sometimes?
삼삼.
Sometimes nga she tuki. Sometimes la salakpa la she tuki me.
라수.
Natanda legala.
알레 레갈레유 라수 하고. 라수 야나라. 되게도. 아니 가상 계란기 족부 가르쳐 빠래.
족부 가상 족부 시카고라 침베레.
That's it. 가상의 족부 시카루라 or 뉴욕라 or anything 라 침빠래. 빼요. 로빠래. 빼요. 라수. 가상 계란기 족무 가르쳐송.
족무 제모 예수 갭거리.
가리. 연결성다. 전화라.
가상 족무 예수 갭거리.
예수 갭빠래 or 갭송 if you witness. 하고서 in the past. 가상의 족무 예수 갭송. 빼요. rest 제송 예수 갭송. 오예.
예수 갭. Okay.
두지치.
Tenzila, what's the verb you said?
예수 갭. 예수 갭 is like a rest. 예수 갭 dire 예수 갭 labna rest shepa. 가상에 왜 예수 갭바이. 가상에 족부 예수 갭송. 내가 제마송. Like this. Anything.
It's like rest.
Very rest. Like
Like at school when there's a break, 예수 갭. Like the best part of school is 예수 갭.
Really. 예수 갭 빼요. We have new verb here. 예수 갭.
Niel.
ngala niel Kasa naruso ngelso ra kata ga yata gya pa gyap ngelso gyap. Haposma. That's it. To recover from hardship. Like it. Haposma ngelso gyap.
It's different from takasede.
Rere. Takaside is sitting without. It's also spoken language.
Okay.
Relaxing. Takaside.
Okay.
Not working. So you are not working basically. Takaside. You are just sitting. That's it. Oh yeah. Tade. Depa. Hakosuma pa yin pa re song. Yeah, tainda. Na Nikulela. Kasan keranki yaksha se pa yimbe.
Хагомасон, якщо сепа, каре лабна, якщо сега.
Yaksha. Yakisha.
Якша се, касанкне, якша сепа, сепамин. Касанкне, якша сепамин.
Kasange yaksha se pa min. Kasan keranki kare se pa yin.
Керанг, касангне, лачук са сепаин.
Pajuksha se pa yin. Hakosan. Last. Kasan keranki gonpala dropa yimpe. Gonpala dropa yimpe.
Касангне, гомпала, чипамин.
Kabar chimpa yin. Kasan chilokla chimpa yimpe.
Касангне, чилокла чипаин.
That's it. Kasangi chilokla chimpa yin.
Касанне, саканкла чипаин.
That's it. Kasange sakangla chimpa yin. Kasange sakangla chin is went. Ruba hakosuma. Payata chaki guchi na chin. Kasange sakangla chimpa yin. Kasange Starbucks la chinpa yin. Kasange gonpa la chinpa yin. That's it. Kasange trokpe New York la chinpa re. Like, Kasan keranki trokpe kariche song. Nikolela.
Касангне, дрогпо, Nippon la chinsong.
Kasange trokpe Nihon ribe. Nihon la chinsong.
Касангне, дрогпо, Nihon la chinsong.
That's it. Kasange trokpe Nihon la chinsong. Like, yeah. Tujiche Nikolela. Hola so. That's it. Dene ya. Wangmula inda. Wangmula. Wangmula ki diloro nang. Dene Epulina la ki len gyaro nang.
항상 사랑기 가래 제바인
가상의 갈락수 소파인.
Pasangi kalak sepa yin. Pea. Ya dene diloro nang.
항상 사랑기 족벌 가래 제바인 예
가상의 루크 라닥 친파레.
Where is
라닥라 라닥라 친파레.
Pea po. Epulina la yabu song song. Ani? Ya diloro.
항상 공기 가래 제송
Pea po. Kasan kongki kariche song.
가상 공기 네. 가상 공기 식락 신나글라 참참 친송.
That's it. 가상콩기 싱낙라 or forest라 참참 친송. That's it. 참참 draw or 참참 친송. 하고송아. That's it. Very good. 배하고. 투지체 왕몰라 당 에볼린
투지치.
몰라.
투지치.
Dene 왕충충 라기 len gabronang answer cherona Marcelo laki dilorona.
So I answer or
Dere 왕충충가 answer in len gakire dene Marcelo laki dilorona.
Okay. Kasan keren ki kare chepayin.
Fail.
계산에 버기에 좀바인.
Fail. 가상에 베개 종파인. Fail. Paso.
Kasan keren ki trope kare chepare.
Fail.
계산에 로브 최대한라 꼴라 캬바레.
That's it. 가상에 족부 추텐라 or stupala Cora Gapare. Fail. Fail gosongson. Dene dilorona.
Kasan kon ki kare cheson.
Fail. 가상 공기 가르치성.
계산에 레가 계산 공기 라서 계산 가상 공기 레가 채송.
That's it. 가상 공기 레가 채송. 가상 공기 창 통마송. 아고송아. 빼야고 송송. 도지체. 올라슬라스. 도지체 마르셀로 당 왕춘춘라.
Riche.
데네야. 에폴리나 당 니말라인. 데네 에폴리나 라기 딜로로낭. 니말라기 렌자로낭.
And the question?
로로낭. 에폴리나 라 딜로로낭. Hello.
거기면도
에볼리나라 고기민두. Hello, hello. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Hello, hello, hello. 에볼리나라 mute redu. Ale, 에볼리나라 요소마베. 배치, 야, 마일라인다, 마일라. 마일라기 딜로로낭. 에볼리나, 니말라기 렌자로낭.
Okay, I question.
Vere.
Okay. 가상 계란기 카레 제파인.
Feo.
가상에 물 yarpayın.
물 yarpayin. That's it.
물 yarpayın.
Kari?
물 yarpayın. Tikire. Yo.
가상이 물 yarpayin. That's it.
What is this? Yerpa? New Yerpa?
Yar, boro, mul, ni. When you
Sorry, there was an interruption. I say again, please.
when you borrow money, that's it. Mul money re. Money. Tene yar borrow re. That's it.
가상 계란
mul yarpayins. That's it.
가상 계란기 도보 카레 제파레.
가상에 çöktü. Şa sekpare.
가상에 족보 샤 세파레스 or 사파레스. That's it. Fail.
가상 공기 가래제송.
가상 공기 세모체송.
That's it. 가상 공기 세모제송. 세모. 게임래. 하고송아. 세 플레이를 봐. 가상 공기 게임제송. 세모제송. Like this. 빼하고. 투지체 니마탕 마일라 투지체 라수다. 야, 되네. 맥그레거 탕 디인다. 에폴리나 라인다. 맥그레거 탕 에폴리나 라. 되네 맥그레거 라기 디로로낭 에폴리나 라기 렌자로낭. 맥그레거 라 디로로낭.
가상 계랑기 가래체 파인.
That's it.
가상
가상
계랑기
가상에
가래체 파인.
가상에 जिंदा चिंपाइन जिंदाला चिंपाइन.
That's it. Now, Apolinala, very good. Well, now you notice your habit. Hakosuma, Asange, Sintala, Chinpayin. That's it. Well, very good. No, McGregor la, Dilorona.
가상 계랑기 드로프 가래체 파인.
That's it. Kasang, Kiranki, Trope, Kare Chepare. That's it.
가상에 drupu शेटोंग शेटांग परे.
That's it. Shetang Pares. That's it. Tene Dilorona. McGregor la.
가상 공기 가래체 송.
가상 공기 이게 드리송.
That's it. Kasang Konki Iki three songs. That's it.
So what's the difference between song and the other two?
Okay, song is the action is in past tense that you witnessed. Akosuma.
Okay.
That's it. So pare is past tense, but you don't have to witness it. It could be your general knowledge.
Yeah.
Okay. Now payin is mostly for yourself. Kasange pizza payin. Like this. That's it.
So song is in the phrase hakosong.
That's it. Hakosong. At that time, you witnessing yourself. So it is very rare to witness yourself. So that's why it's very rare to use it for first person. Hakosong.
Yeah.
Only in certain situations, when you say hakosong, go nasong, kipo chung pe kipo chung song, like this. So all this you can witness yourself. Hakosong. That's it. Pero, tujiche. Yeah, tene sulha.
And Yekatrin
No,
Tenzila.
Write a letter. Hakosong. The past tense with the past tense.
And what?
Ike tripa re or Ike tri song. Like this. Okay?
And right stream?
Re tree. That's
Yeah. Three, not three.
Gosuma, they also write like this for tree. Right now, think of them as the same. No problem to what is difference. If you don't know what's the difference right now, Gosuma, just think it's same. That's it. Okay.
But it's drie in this case.
Yes, yes. But here in this case, tree.
Okay.
Here,
And
Tree.
EK is letter.
very letter. E. Gosuma, fail. That's it. Yes, Jola.
Can I try a couple of sentences?
Yes. I will ask you question. You can answer. Gosuma.
Okay.
Jola, 가상 계란기 가르쳐 봐인.
Okay. Kasang nge tablok bayin.
That's it. 가상이 대블록 봐인. That's it.
Tablok
가상
bayin.
계란기 족불 가르쳐 봐래.
Kasang nge rokbo. Leka ba mare.
내가 제빠 말해. Like this.
Leka chepa mare.
가상이 족불 내가 제빠 말해. But I'm asking what he did. 가르쳐 봐래.
Chepare. Okay. So I could say kasang nge chokpo could I say
가르?
kasang kasang ne chokpo birtong pare.
That's it. 가상의 족불 비어 통바래. 가상의
Pare.
족불 와인 통바래. 가상의 족불 anything. 하고서마.
Okay.
That's it. Now here song witness in the past tense. You witness it. 하고서마. 가상 공기 가르쳐 song.
Okay. Kasang kongki chutena kora kyapsong.
That's it. 가상 공기 최대나 오라 겹송. Like this.
Okay.
Very good. Payable. Jola, good try. That's it. That's
Thank you.
Very good. Okay, now I can see that we are almost okay with the past tense and present tense. Oh yeah. Then we have a maongpa, the one that didn't come yet. Maongpa. That's it. Oh, maongpa, ki re, sare. That's it. So for that, I will give one new word, sangin, like a tomorrow. Sangin. Sanga sang, yakikunin manin. Sangin nge. Sangin nge, leka chekiin. Like this. Sangin nge, coffee tunkiin. Sangin nge, Starbucks la drokiin. 상인 nge pizza sakiin. 상인 nge pyoge jonkiin. 상인 nge New York la drokimin. 상인 nge Nihon la drokiin. Anything. Hagosunga. 상인 Sonia laki gom gyabki reis. Like this. Hagosunga. 상이 Donald Trump ki leka cheki reis. Like this.
Tenzema,
Yes.
What does sang mean?
Sangin. Sang means tomorrow. Nin is day. Day of tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Basically tomorrow. Okay.
Because kasang has sang in it.
Really. So take them as whole. Don't break it down right now.
Okay.
Easy.
Okay.
That's it. Kasang as a yesterday, sangin as a tomorrow. Like this. Tade sangin nge pasta sakiyin. Sangin nge pöke jonkiyin. Sangin McGregor ki leka chekire. Now I would suggest use this mostly for weather only. We have a word like charpa pap, rainfall, kang pap, like this. Sangin charpa papsares. Sangin dharamsala la charpa papsares. Like this. Sangin rila, mountain la, sangin rila kang papsare. Like this. So here sare is unsure in the future tense. We mostly use it for weather. Sunny charpa papsares. Sunny kang papsares. Sunny nima sharsares. Sunny lakpa gyapsares. So this one, sare, is for future. There is no witnessing in it. It's future tense, right? So this is unsure future tense for the weather. Sunny kang papsare, sunny charpa papsare. Right? Okay?
Can we use also this sa for our activities in which we are not confident? For example, sanin, ne, böke, John sa in. If I'm not sure, can I use this sa in this case?
No, not for yourself. So that's why I will suggest it right now. Use only for weather. Okay? The sentence you are saying, you can say chik chena nge sangi peke jonki. So we have different way of saying this. That we will learn later. Chik chena nge sangi peke jonki. Chik chena nge sangi chilok la druki. Like this. Okay, but here, sorry, I will suggest us to use only for weather. Right now. In the future tense only. Sunny charpa papsares. So for example, I can ask you sangin herang ki pare chekiin. That's it. Sangin kerang ki kare chekiin. Oh, sangin leka chekiin, sangin pizza sakiin, sangin Starbucks la dokiin, sangin tropo tukiin, sangin sungchu nyen kiin, sangin gom kiin. Anything. So I will suggest us to write this question down, learn how to ask, also answer it. Sangin kerang ki kare cheki. Sangin kerang ki tropo kare cheki de. Sangin Hamburg la charpa phapsa repe. Sangin Bangkok la charpa phapsa repe. Sangin Hong Kong la charpa phapsa repe. Like this. Sangin Sogyul la charpa phapsa repe. Like this. That's it. So here, let us practice future tense also. And then in the next lesson, I will go a little bit more with the future tense. And I will suggest us to please practice reading also. McGregor la, ako semua practice reading also. We all read well, but little bit slow. So for that, we need to practice reading. Ako semua, don't worry about the meaning. Just read it. Ako semua. Any book, any scripture you want to read. Ako semua. You are able to
Yeah,
read.
you say. Okay, thanks, Tenzin, for that advice, because it's when you say it doesn't matter the meaning, I can tell that most of the people in the class have a much bigger vocabulary, and they know the meaning of the words that thing.
Yes. No, some of us a little bit better, but I assure you, McGregor, you are doing very good. Ako semua. You are doing very good. Just a little bit slower. That's all. But you know how
Yeah.
to say it properly. Ako semua. For that,
Yeah.
you need to practice
you.
reading more. Because they have read more, when they see it, they just know it, how to pronounce it. So make it familiar with your eyes. Just read it. Ako semua. That's it. You can read like any pecha. You can read this pecha, like this here. Lama la chaksello. Tawa longchen rabjam yin. Gompa kense verser yin. Chepa galwe nyuku yin. Like you can read like this, anything. Ako semua. So I also.
Tenzin I'll tell you.
Yes, please.
Nga tsu zinta jela karajekin.
Ngansu zinda jela nge talak saki yin. Future tense, rupa. Ngansu zinda jela nge talak saki yin. Te thang dal thali rice dal saki yin.
Okay, give me another try. Nga tsu zinta jela kare jongkiin.
Ale jong re. That's for you. You need to say ngansu zinda jela kare jong re. Oh yeah.
So I cannot just use kiin with jongkiin.
Mare.
Kare jongkiin.
Jong re la kurwa. Ki yin mare. Ngansu zinda jela kare jong re. What we we need to titaful gore.
So it's not universal formula kiin, not with any verb.
Ki yin la pimune. That's it. The inchi marwa, inchi tang chikpa mare. Chezang, I will send this in the group chat. Please try to read question, try answer all of the tense. Depa, tatawa, maumpa. You have all the verbs here. Make it into all three tense. Try to say it if you don't want to write it. If you write it, I know that you will definitely get much, much better. Those who write it, they do well. I see it. But if you have no time, no problem. Just practice it. With the all three tense here. Use any verb. Tep lok, kalaksa, topjong che, she tong, gom gyab, linga tong, kora gyab, anything. Cham cham do, chang tung, kecha she, cham cham do, like this. So please practice like this, okay? In the next class, we will go more about future tense. And then after that, we will start reading conversation. I have lot of conversation, dialogues written in Tibetan language. So we will go forth back, reading practice. Before we go to that, I will suggest us to practice reading. And 3/10 here. Okay? That's it. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Tashi Dalek, Tujiche.
Thank you very much. 다시 데레.
Thank you. Tenzin
라,
Tujiche.
두지체.
Tujiche.
Tashi Dalek, Tujiche. There.
Tudelek.
Hola.
Dashi Tilak Tenzima.
Bye-bye.